I am going to make a zucchini salad today. This is zucchini, then tomato, bee onions, lettuce, and bell pepper and lime. Now, I have sliced bee onion into pieces, then tomato into wedges, zucchini into pieces, and lettuce into small pieces, and bell pepper also into small pieces. And then I never use measuring spoons for any cooking because my grandma even did cooking in her home without measuring uh, spoons. So what I have done is here, I have taken 2 teaspoon of mayonnaise sauce, a little bit of salt because you shouldn't add too much of salt because mayonnaise sauce also having salt, and then little bit of pepper. Mix them together and you add all these vegetables into it and mix it well. Okay, mix it well. Then I have boiled 2 pieces of fish, that is salmon fish, and keep aside. This is now salad is ready for table. You can enjoy, this is very delicious. You can also serve with 2 slices of bread and butter. If you want, you can also eat with tomato sauce. I hope you enjoy my cooking. I hope you will subscribe to my channel so that new recipes will come to you. Thank you.